Welcome to the Data Visual channel. This is Shekhar, and in this tutorial we are going to see the Python um, program to find the length of the string. So we will see that 6 different ways how we can check the length of the string, and we can display the length of the string. So I'm considering here the string, that is Python for data science. The first method is we can use the length function, and length of the string is 23. It is considering everything, every character, okay, including the space. Okay, the second method is we are using counter and for loop. So by using counter is 0 for each character in the string, 1, so and that is incrementing the counter, and finally we are displaying the counter. You can see the total number of characters or the length of the string is 23. Third method we are going to see is by using a while loop. So we are starting with the counter 0 while string 1 counter, um, then we are slicing from 0 to last, and again we are incrementing the counter. Counter is equal to counter plus 1, and finally we are displaying the counter. So same thing we are doing using a for loop and while loop. So it's 23. Next thing, we are using a reduce function uh, and lambda here to display the length of the string. So we are importing the reduce function from the functools. So functools.reduce, and here we are using a lambda. So lambda x comma y, where we are adding the each character, so x plus 1, and providing the string 1, and here is the 0. So it will give again, it will display the number, that is length of the string is 23. Okay, fifth method is where we are using you it's for loop again. So for I in the string is 1, so it will suppose we if you use this thing here, okay, okay, so if you run this, it is the generator, and if you use the sum function here, so it will give the directly the output of that particular generator, that is 23. So it will sum of all the numbers, that is 1. Okay, uh, so uh, so it will check traverse to the each character of the string, and which goes on adding the 1. Okay, and finally we get the length of the string. Okay, the next method is we are using a enumerate. So we are starting with the 0 counter 0, and for I comma a in enumerate, and we are providing the string 1, and here we are incrementing the counter, the s is equal to s plus 1, and finally we are printing that, so 23. So we have seen the 6 methods where we can check the length of the string. First one is the length, second one is the for loop, third one is the while loop, fourth one is the func tool, reduce and lambda. Next one is using a sum and generator, and the last one is the enumerate. Okay, thank you.